Networking nightmares, how West LA computer expert can help. Networking nightmares can happen to any business, but they can be especially troublesome for small businesses that don't have the resources or expertise to handle them effectively. If you are experiencing networking problems, it's important to get help from a trusted West LA computer expert who can diagnose and resolve the issue quickly and efficiently. Here are some ways a computer expert can help with networking nightmares. 1. Diagnose and troubleshoot network issues. One of the main benefits of working with a computer expert is their ability to diagnose and troubleshoot network issues. They have the skills and experience to identify the root cause of the problem and come up with a solution that will get your network up and running again. This can save you time and frustration, as well as prevent further issues from arising. 2. Set up and maintain network infrastructure. A computer expert can also help you set up and maintain your network infrastructure. This includes setting up routers, switches, firewalls, and other devices that are essential for a functioning network. They can also ensure that your network is properly configured and optimized for your business needs, helping to prevent future networking nightmares. 3. Ensure network security. Network security is a top priority for any business, as a cyber attack or data breach can have serious consequences. A computer expert can help you implement security measures, such as firewalls, antivirus software, and regular backups, to protect your network from potential threats. 4. Provide remote support. In many cases, networking issues can be resolved remotely, saving you time and money. A computer expert can provide remote support to fix issues without having to physically come to your office. This can be especially helpful if you are experiencing networking issues outside of regular business hours. 5. Offer ongoing support and maintenance. Networking issues can be ongoing, and it's important to have someone you can rely on for ongoing support and maintenance. A computer expert can provide regular maintenance and monitoring of your network to catch and fix any issues before they become major problems. In conclusion, networking nightmares can be a major headache for businesses, but they don't have to be. By working with a trusted West LA computer expert, you can get the help you need to diagnose and resolve network issues, set up and maintain your network infrastructure, ensure network security, and provide ongoing support and maintenance. This can give you the peace of mind to focus on running your business without worrying about networking problems.